How to fix freezing in Valorant. Number 1, graphic setting. Go to search box and search Riot Client. Click on Open File Location. Again, click on Open File Location. Select Riot VALORANT Services and copy the path. Again, go to search box and search graphic setting. Click on Browse. Paste the copying path. Select Riot Client Services and click on Add. Click on Options and select High Performance. Again, click on Browse. Select Local Dist C Riot Games Valorant Live Shooter Game Binaries Win64. Click on Options and select High Performance. Number 2, change power plan. Go to search box and search power plan. Click on Power Options and select High Performance. Number 3, turn off background apps. Go to search box and search background apps. Turn off all unwanted background apps. If you found this video useful, then please like it.